This is a video on solving expressions using the order of operations. So if you think back to when you learned this, we know when we first see a problem, the first thing we look for to solve is anything in the parentheses or brackets. In this case, I do have something in the parentheses. So what you need to do is copy down everything that's not in that parentheses. 7 plus 9 and then times. Go ahead and solve what's in the parentheses. So I know that 3 plus 8 is 11, and we replace it with 11. The next thing I look for is the exponents. Anything with an exponent. In this case, I don't have any exponents in my problem, so I move on to the next step. What you look for next is anything with multiply or divide. And you have to do that first. I do have a multiply here. So I'm going to copy down 7 plus, and then solve 9 times 11, which is 99. The last thing I look for is add or subtract. I'm going to add 7 plus 99 and get 106. And notice it kind of looks like an upside down triangle when we solve, and that's really the look that we're going for. On this one, I follow the same steps. No parentheses, but there are exponents, so I rewrite it. 15 minus. Now be careful. 2 to the third power is not 6, like a lot of students want to say. 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8. We've done the exponents, we go down the list. The next is multiply or divide, which I have. 15 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 15 minus 2 is 13. Okay, finally our last one. We have a parentheses, 8 times, and within that parentheses, I'm going to solve the 2 to the 4th power because that's my exponent first. 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. We write that 8 times 16 minus 3 is 13 times 8 times 13 plus 8. I do 8 times 13, which is 104. Carry down my 8 again, and 104 plus 8 is 112.